Oh, you're making that a wet now? Just a little bit.
Hello, cutie pie.
Small, maybe you have like a little. Okay. Oh, you're doing great.
You want in the back?
Yeah.
Here, do you want to get her in first so you can help her? Let's love this.
Yeah, buddy, can you sit on that?
Look at how peaceful it is here. It was as if we were the only people there. Just for that moment. That was something else.
Do you like it, Ray? How about Dada?
I like it too. I love it here. This is Emerald Lake.
Lake.
That's it. Good job, honey. I just wanted to see if you knew it. Emerald Lake. Let's see if we have a different experience from Lake Louise. Because over there they have canoes, rowboats, and kayaks as well. Here they have only rowboats. So let's see.
What's the gummy?
That's right, buddy.
I want to climb it. That's I want to climb it.
Is the water crying?
I want to climb it.
Quite deep.
Quite deep.
The water is quite deep.
Wow,
Yeah, that's right, buddy. How deep do you think it is?
I have bubble.
A lot of bubbles, buddy.
I want to find a lot of bubble.
A lot of bubbles. Do you think the water is deep here, buddy?
Yes. That one not deep. Not deep there.
It's not deep over there. So you're very close to the coast now, to the shore.
That one.
And how did that feel?
Good.
Funny?
Yes.
Okay.
This is a boat.
The last one, huh?
I think so. เรพายเรือแคนูเก่งไหมครับ ชอบไหมครับ ชอบพายเรือแคนูไหมครับ สนุกไหมครับอ๋อ
And at this point, I was basically the only one rowing, and Mama Kung was doing the camera work, and Ray was basically just enjoying himself, and yeah, it was just fantastic.
Almost there. Ray break time เหรอครับ That's so cute. Good job, Dada.
Impressed by me.
She can go faster than.
Yes. She. Did you just go to the side, buddy?
This one is not for the
Good job, buddy. Wow. Ray, did you see the canoe over there? That's where we were. That's where we were before. That's right.
Dana, he clean.
Is clean.
I think it's clean enough now, buddy.
I can go down now. Clean here again.
Yeah, you can clean it a little bit more. It can never be too clean. That's okay, buddy. It's just mud, that's right.
Also dry water.
It's just water.
Because the boy dirty, my dirty also.
That's right, buddy.
So that's good dirty. That's funny.
Are you stuck a little bit?
So Dada, can you pull me?
Are you in need for a tow truck? Okay. Maybe Mama Koen can be the tow truck.
Can we have tow truck?
Okay. But you have to call the tow truck first.
Can't tow truck? Can't tow truck?
No, with the telephone.
Can't tow truck?
I'm here.
Hey, there's the tow truck. You forgot to take the scooter, Ray.
Can you pull my scooter that
Are they
way?
gonna pull me? Are you a tow truck? Is that me?
You can go on Dada.
Yes, I know.
Okay, help each other.
Beep, beep, beep.
Honey, show him.
I'm cleaning pencil.
Yeah, but I want you to help me out. Are you ready to go? Go.
Yeah, there they go. Good job, buddy.
Well done.
Many speed bumps on it. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. You can use your balance a little bit if you can. There you are. Good job, you made it. Box. Boom. And now you can drive scooter. Very strong, very strong. Wow.
My scooter here, Dada.
Yes, I can, buddy. Thank you.
Very long.
Very long bridge.
Please, my scooter here. My scooter, please.
Okay, buddy.
Please.
I think he's getting tired.
Yes.
Okay, buddy. Come on. Are you still driving the scooter in the air? Good job, buddy. Oh wow. Here we are at Lake Emerald. Emerald Lake. Food coming. Oh, boat coming. Okay.
แต่ดาทางกรีด Food coming พี่เลชอบเผ็ดๆเหรอครับ
ว่านี่คือคุณมา
พี่เรคือคุณแม่พี่เซนพี่เรชอบเผ็ดๆว่าชอบกินเผ็ดๆเหมือนคุณแม่
Hey Ray, what are you eating? You got it. Something with onion.
อันนี้ลิ้นบิด
Yeah, that's right, buddy.
ถ้าคนมากินคนเดียวเรียกคุกคุณนัด
We try to show Ray that he can have his way in life very often. I didn't worry about his dirty jeans or soaked shoes or anything like that, but instead I told him that it's just mud, it's just water. That was basically my way of saying to him, enjoy here and enjoy now.